Can I ride 72 miles today? I think we can do anything if we put our mind to it. And the whole ride is going to be on rail trail, so let's go. Well, I arrived at my parking spot. Now it's time to get the bike out and get moving. Here we go. Can we do it? 72 miles. Of course we can. Morning. Passing on your left. Well, I've done about 13 miles this morning, and I just stopped to have a break, had some water, had a Clif Bar, and I'm going to continue on. It's a beautiful day for a ride, and I always look forward to Ride My Age Day. Even though my birthday isn't until November, I just couldn't pass up today. So let's get moving. One of the best trails in New England. Let's take the tunnel under the road. Time for another water break. Well, I'm 23 miles into the ride this morning, and I just stopped for a water break. Certainly been a nice ride so far. Been able to average about 12 miles an hour. It's not the speed, it's the experience of getting out here, breathing the fresh air, riding your age. It's only 72 miles, only. That's quite a bit. But it's certainly not a century. This trail is really one of my favorites. It's very smooth for the most part, and it's peaceful, tree lined. You get out in the sun a little bit, and it's part of the East Coast Greenway. I don't know if you can see that sign over there, but it's a bike route, and above it, the East Coast Greenway's logo. One of the things I like about this trail is there are occasionally stations to fill up your water bottles. After 23 miles, this bottle's empty. I brought 3 with me, but I don't like to get caught short without enough water at any time. It can lead to muscle cramps, which can really put a cramp in your ride. No pun intended. Right back where it belongs. I'm gonna get on down the road now. Passing on your left. Morning. Passing on your left. Hello. 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 Just about ready to pass into Massachusetts. Reach the halfway point. Well, so far it's been a great ride. I'm a little over halfway done with my ride, done about 40 miles. So I'm turning around and I'm looking forward to the ride back. So I strongly suggest anybody who wants to ride their age, give it a shot. I have a few tips that have helped me in riding my age. Bring a lot of water. I have 3 24-ounce bottles of water. I went through all 3 bottles and then I stopped and filled them up again. Another tip, don't be in a hurry. Allot yourself enough time to ride your age. Here's another tip, but every few miles, look down at the mileage and try to remember what you were doing in that year. You know, what were you doing when you were 15, 30, 50, 60? It adds to your ride. Another thing that's helped me is keep it in a lower gear. One guy on YouTube says spinners are winners. So the more you can spin, the better off you'll be. If your gears aren't low enough to get up the hills, walk it, or give consideration to maybe upgrading your gears to lower gears. Shouldn't be any reason that we struggle when we're going down the road. If you have clip-in pedals, use them. Clip-in pedals are great. Keep you from wasting a lot of energy from your feet slipping around the pedals. Make sure you eat enough. You got to keep your stamina up. Peanut butter or jelly. Easy, inexpensive. Bananas. Cliff bars. Make your own bars. Anything. But eat before you're hungry. And that way your muscles will thank you. And again, drink before you're thirsty so you don't cramp up. Once you go over the line and you start cramping up, it's almost impossible to recuperate. The years go by quickly, don't they? Make the best of them. Stay active. Do all you can do to be the best version of yourself. You don't have to be a super athlete. I got 13 more miles to go, and it's been a wonderful day. So I've had a lot of comments from people that say that they're out riding their age every year. Have you done that? Let me know if you have, or if you plan on doing it. If you're 20, 30, 40, 80, 90. Well, I've only got 5 miles to go, and I stopped on the trail to have some water. Looking forward to ending my ride, but it's been a really nice day. Back under the bridge again. Back again, Darth Vader. Well, the day is done. I did my 72 miles. Hopefully you can see my speedometer. It's 72.09. I encourage you to get out there, ride your age. If you can't ride your age, ride around the block, do whatever you can. So, thank you for joining me on this short video of a long day. And I hope you have a very good day today and tomorrow. And as always, happy pedaling.